Making scary cookies called witch's fingers for Halloween. We'll need large seeds without shells or almonds by the number of cookies, 300 grams of flour, 2 eggs, 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of softened butter, a pinch of salt, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. Mash batter lightly with a fork. Add sugar, salt, baking powder, 1 egg, and begin to whip. Then gradually add the flour in portions, each time whipping. Leave some flour to sprinkle on the table. Knead the dough to make it more solid. Sprinkle the remaining flour on the table so that the dough does not stick to your hands. Spread the dough on the table. Knead it. Wrap the dough in a cling film. We put it into the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Whip up the remaining egg. Flour the table. Take out the dough from the refrigerator. Our dough is ready. Unpack it. Separate small pieces from the dough. Roll them into thin sausages. Sculpt fingers from them, forming phalanges. You can focus on your fingers. Remember that fingers must be thin because they will increase in the oven. Take a kitchen brush and with it lubricate with a beaten egg the place where the nail will be, so that the nail holds better and looks more well. Take a seed or almond and gently squeeze into the upper part of the finger. Grease the egg on top. Squeeze out the grooves on the phalanges with a toothpick. We get a terrible finger. This amount of dough is enough for at least 30 fingers, and in our case, almost 40. Put our cookies for 15 or 20 minutes in the oven, preheated to 190 degrees. This horror will definitely scare all guests and create the right atmosphere.